Are you looking for a powerhouse of nutrition to boost your health? Look no further than quinoa. This tiny grain has taken the culinary world by storm with its numerous health benefits. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of quinoa and why it should be a part of your diet. So, let's dive into the top benefits of eating quinoa. Quinoa is often referred to as a superfood due to its exceptional nutritional value. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and protein, making it a powerhouse of nutrients. Quinoa is a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs. It is also a great source of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making it a well-rounded and nourishing option for your diet. Another remarkable aspect of quinoa is its versatility in cooking. It can be used in a wide range of dishes, making it a fantastic addition to your culinary repertoire. Quinoa can be cooked and used as a base for salads, stir-fries, soups, stews, and even desserts. It can also be sprouted, roasted, or turned into flour for various baking applications. The possibilities are endless, and quinoa can add a delightful texture and nutty flavor to your meals. If you're watching your weight, quinoa can be an excellent addition to your diet. Quinoa is low in calories and fat while being high in fiber and protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer. The combination of protein and fiber can help regulate your appetite, reduce cravings, and keep you satisfied, which may support weight management goals. Quinoa can be a healthy and satisfying option to incorporate into your weight loss or maintenance plan. Quinoa is heart-healthy due to its impressive nutrient profile. It is a good source of heart-healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, quinoa contains antioxidants, including flavonoids and vitamin E, which have been shown to have cardioprotective properties. By incorporating quinoa into your diet, you can take a step towards maintaining a healthy heart. Quinoa is a valuable source of nutrients for vegans and vegetarians. As a complete protein source, quinoa provides all the essential amino acids that may be lacking in a plant-based diet. This makes quinoa an excellent option for meeting the protein needs of those who follow a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle. Quinoa is also rich in iron, calcium, and other essential minerals, which can be challenging to obtain from plant-based sources alone. By including quinoa in your meals, you can ensure you are getting a wide range of essential nutrients for optimal health. In conclusion, quinoa is a powerhouse of nutrition with numerous health benefits. From its high nutritional value to its versatility in cooking, quinoa can be a valuable addition to your diet. Its benefits range from supporting weight management and heart health to providing essential nutrients for vegans and vegetarians. So why not incorporate this incredible superfood into your meals and unlock its nutritional power? Try adding quinoa to your next meal and experience the difference it can make for your health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.